अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर फ्रेंड्स। टुडे एक नई सीरीज़ स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ मैं टेंसेस के हवाले से। सो द वेरी फर्स्ट वीडियो अबाउट द टेंस, देयर मस्ट बी द टेंसेस ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन or introduction of the tenses. So in this video we shall only discuss about the introduction and what are these. Look at the following sentences. I write this letter to inform you. I wrote this letter to inform you. And the third sentence is I will write another letter to inform you. The verb write refers to present time, and the verb wrote in the second sentence refers to the past time. And the third sentence, the verb will write in the third sentence refers to the future time. Thus, a verb may refer number one to present time, number two to past time, and number three to future time. So, a verb that refers to present time is said to be in present tense. And let us look at the definition of the word tense. The word tense comes from the Latin word tempus, which means time or time, period, age. In the second sentence of the previous slide, I wrote this letter here. If we say, if we look, I wrote this letter to inform you. So now here it is saying the verb that refers to past time is said to be in the past tense. Thirdly, a verb that refers to future time is said to be in the future tense. When a verb shows future time, so it would be directly said to be in the future tense. So, thus there are three main tenses, and those are the present, the past, and the future. The tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. Okay, while learning about the tenses, we should keep remember the verb. There will be the only game of verb which show either the tense is present, past, or in future. Only the verb will distinguish us. Note sometimes a past tense may refer to present time, and a present tense may express future time. This is very important thing to be remembered, that when a past tense refers to present time and present tense refers to future time. How? Look at the examples. I wish I knew the answer. I wish I knew the answer. Now here the sentence is written in the past tense, but it is giving the meaning of present time. It is giving the meaning of present time. So keep remember, this is some of the usage of the tenses, that some tenses may be used as a past, but they give the meaning of present. Give the meaning of present. Keep remember. Secondly, let us wait till he comes. The sentence is written in future. Sorry, not future. In present. Let's wait till he comes. Till he comes. It is written in the present, but it is giving the meaning of what? Giving the meaning of future. So be cautious about the usage, and by using or by of the usage of the tenses. Sometimes a past tense may refer to present time, and present time may refer to future time. So inshallah, individually, one by one, we will discuss about these tenses, how they change the meaning of a sentence. So don't be worry about that. This was the simple and meaningful introduction to the tenses. So see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.